Sitting Congress MDCs Batskem Rinta Thiang from Mairang and Karnes Soshang from Malkarwat constituency were inducted into the National People's Party by National President Conrad K. Sangma and State President Preston Tinsong at the party office in Shillong on Monday. Along with the two sitting MDCs, a former MDC from Sora, Donvan Karwanlang, was also inducted into the party.
To join and to be part of the family of the National People's Party. At the very outset, as the National President of the National People's Party, it is with great honor and a great sense of happiness that I would like to welcome each and every one of you to our family of the National People's Party. Welcome to the NPP.